Spirit Divine Collective, we are going to tap into the sign of Libra. Let's do Libra. Someone here was hired to lie on you, Libra. They were hired to bully you. Yeah, lies, deceit, betrayal, 2 cards speaking about lies. They wanted you to get arrested and sent to jail, Spirit is telling me. I'm also hearing that you are starting to remember who you are, Libra. I'm getting the High Priestess, the High Priest. Someone is in denial about your spiritual ranking in this reading, okay? Dishonesty among friends, Libra, or business associates. I'm also picking up on. The answers that you've been seeking is on the way. Someone is desperate. They want to know what's coming next for you here. Cocoa butter is of significance, Libra. Cocoa butter. Continue moving with higher awareness. You're going to have a major transformation here after you cut someone off. Okay? Move with higher awareness, 1:32 on the clock. Someone in the storyline is mentally disturbed. A mental disorder I'm picking up on. Trying to cause imbalances with your finances here. They're desperate to know what it is that you have coming in next. You have new options here, Libra, that are more healthy for you, Spirit is saying. New options. You come from an ancient bloodline. I'm hearing an ancient god, Libra, and there's good fortune attached to your destiny. Someone is being judged here. Someone complaining that they're the victim. Someone is in denial here, Libra. A lot of denial. Someone is in denial that they're in a relationship with a Jezebel. That they chose to be in a relationship with a Jezebel. They're in denial about this, Libra. I'm hearing there is no wrong way to pray. A change in your focus I'm picking up on. There's a situation that is influenced by an addictive behavior that is influencing you or someone else involved, Libra, okay? So something is being influenced by an addictive behavior here. Spirit is speaking of 3:26 on the clock. Someone celebrated too early. They thought that they finally got rid of you, I'm hearing. An ex-best friend, yeah. An ex-best friend is of significance in your storyline, Libra. There's dishonesty amongst friends here. An ex-best friend is being exposed for wanting to hurt you. They celebrated too early. They thought they got rid of you here. Spirit says that they're about to be truly embarrassed, Libra. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Someone here is going to be exposed for being a liar. I heard celebrities, large following. Someone here may have a large following. They may be on social media, seen as a celebrity. Libra, Spirit says it's going down. Something about physical abuse. A lot of mental chaos I'm picking up on in this storyline. Overthinking, overanalyzing. Spirit says you're leveling up, Libra. For someone, money has become an idol here. Someone has been staying away from you because of all the lies they told on you. I heard prophet, my prophets, my seers. They wanted to end you, take you out, and they failed. You can expect things to go well in the near future, Spirit says. I'm getting a lawyer here. There's an attorney I'm picking up on that is holding everyone accountable for what they've done. Legislation, laws considered collectively, Libra. They did not have permission to do this to you. They did not have permission to do this to the Empress, to the Emperor, okay? Stabbing those dolls. Someone here was stabbing a voodoo doll. They had a voodoo doll on you. Spirit is saying vengeance is mine, not yours, Libra. Leave for yourself, not for anyone else. You will overcome all obstacles and all betrayals. Cheaters are being exposed. Protesters. Death. Someone's family was attacking them for bettering themselves. Your intuition is very sharp, Libra. Your energy speaks volumes. 6:29 on the clock. If you are being isolated, you are being positioned to tap into your inner power, Spirit says. You've balanced out your life, Libra. Something about addiction in this timeline. I'm getting someone being addicted to your energy, which led to an obsession. So addiction is of significance. Spirit says they are a predator who wants to create a new chapter with you. They are a predator that wants to create a new chapter with you, Libra, okay? They want you to compete with them. Someone is now going through the dark night of the soul. The underworld is now going through the dark night of the soul, and you get to move forward, Libra. The scales are being balanced. The underworld is pissed about your wish fulfillment. This is the truth. You are celebrating, Spirit is saying, a celebratory moment, a romantic proposal. I heard Charlie Kirk. They felt more comfortable when you had no voice. Continue determined to push through, Libra. Your presence has a powerful impact, Spirit says. They don't deserve your time nor your energy, Divine Collective. Your opinion is valued. 8:33 on the clock. The Magician is here. There's a Divine Masculine coming towards you, Libra. Someone here lied on you with no facts. They built a narrative, structured a performance, mixed truth with deception, so it sounded believable, okay? Continue upgrading your habits. Continue thinking positive, Libra. 9:01 on the clock. Spirit is telling me that they failed. Everything that they did, they failed. These are reptilians. I heard roaches. DNA matching with evidence, Libra. Someone here may be asking you to help them cover up a lie, Libra. Your path has been cleared. Someone is being left in the shadows. Someone here could smoke vapes. I'm getting smoking vapes. Smoke shop, Libra. You'll need to stop seeing any suitor who doesn't give you the respect you deserve, Spirit says. Banned footage, 9:56 on the clock.